Welcome back to the Life in Tech channel. Today we are talking about the pros and cons of the two giants in the high-speed internet world, AT&T Fiber Optics and Xfinity Coaxial cable services. So if you are looking to upgrade your internet connection, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a quick overview of what these two services offer. Here's a side-by-side comparison of both services. You are probably watching this video because you are not sure which service is right for you. Let's delve into the distinction between internet speed and bandwidth. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct meanings. Internet speed refers to the rate at which data is transferred from the internet to your device or from your device to the internet. It is typically measured in megabits per second. Faster download speeds allows for a smoother online experience, reducing buffering, long load times, and other connection issues. If you have a fiber connection with a 5,000 megabits per second, a single device can download a large file faster than a connection with 140 megabits per second. Bandwidth represents a maximum capacity of your internet connection. It is the set limit of the data that flows across the wire or wireless medium. Bandwidth determines how much data can flow through the wire at any given time. Now that we have a basic idea, let's break it down further. Let's talk about reliability. Both AT&T Fiber and Xfinity pride themselves on offering reliable connections, but there are differences. AT&T Fiber Optics network is known for its stability and low latency, making it ideal for latency-sensitive applications like online gaming and video conferencing. Xfinity cable network is also reliable for most users, but you may experience occasional slowdowns during peak hours, especially in densely populated areas. Here are some key benefits of having high upload speeds. High upload speeds are essential for content creators who regularly upload videos, music, podcasts, or other multimedia content to platforms like YouTube, SoundCloud, or Vimeo. Faster upload speeds mean shorter upload times, allowing creators to share their content with their audiences more quickly. In the area of remote work, fast upload speeds are essential for tasks like uploading large files, sharing documents, and collaborating on projects using cloud-based platforms such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft Teams. Faster upload speeds facilitate seamless communication and collaboration among remote teams, whether it's hosting virtual meeting, conducting webinar, or streaming live events. High-speed uploads are critical for smooth video conferencing and live video streaming experiences. Faster upload speeds ensure high-quality video and audio transmission with minimum lag or buffering, resulting in better communication and engagement. Uploading data to cloud storage services like iCloud, Google Drive, or OneDrive for backup and storage purposes requires significant upload bandwidth, especially for large files or backup of entire systems. Faster upload speeds make the backup process more efficient and ensure that the data is securely stored in the cloud. Online gaming and multiplayer session benefits from faster upload speeds, particularly for games that require real-time interaction and communication among players. Faster upload speeds help reduce latency, minimize lag, and provide a smoother gaming experience, especially in competitive multiplayer games. Smart home devices and Internet of Things gadgets often rely on cloud-based services for data synchronization, remote access, and firmware updates. Faster upload speeds enable seamless integration and communication between smart home devices, ensuring smooth experience and responsiveness. Home security systems and video surveillance cameras that upload footage to the cloud require sufficient upload bandwidth to transmit video streams reliably. Faster upload speeds ensure that surveillance footage is uploaded promptly and can be accessed remotely for monitoring and security purposes. In summary, high upload speeds are essential for a wide range of online activities, including content creation, remote work, video conferencing, live streaming, cloud-based backup, gaming, home automation, and security. Faster upload speeds enable faster data transmission, smoother communication, and better overall user experience in today's interconnected digital world. Fiber internet is generally considered to be highly reliable due to the nature of its infrastructure. Here are some reasons why fiber internet is known for its reliability. Fiber optic cables, which transmit data using light signals through a thin strand of glass, are less susceptible to interferences from electrical signals, weather conditions, or electromagnetic interference compared to traditional copper cables used by cable internet providers. This physical resilience makes fiber less prone to service disruptions due to external factors. Fiber internet typically offers symmetrical upload and download speeds, meaning that the speed of the data transmission is the same in both directions. This symmetry ensures consistent performance for both upload and download activities, making fiber internet suitable for bandwidth-intensive tasks like video conferencing, file sharing, and cloud computing. Fiber optic technology provides low latency, which refers to the time that it takes for data to travel from one point to another. Low latency is crucial for real-time applications like online gaming, video streaming, and voice-over internet protocol calls, as it minimizes delays and ensures smooth and responsive user experiences. Fiber optic networks have a high capacity for data transmission compared to traditional cable networks. This increased capability helps minimize network congestion, especially during peak usage hours when many users are online simultaneously. As a result, fiber internet users experience more consistent speeds and fewer slowdowns during busy periods. Fiber optic networks are often built with redundancy and resilience in mind, featuring multiple backup routes and failover mechanisms to ensure continuous connectivity in the event of network failure or disruptions. Providers invest in robust infrastructure and proactivity maintenance practices to minimize downtime and maximize uptime for their fiber network. Overall, fiber internet, renowned for its reliability, offering consistent performance, low latency, and robust infrastructure that ensures uninterrupted connectivity for residential and business users alike. While no internet service is immune to occasional disruptions, fiber internet resilience and reliability makes it a perfect choice for users who prioritize consistent and high-quality internet access. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of coaxial cable internet services. While coaxial cable internet has been a popular choice for many households, it does have some disadvantages compared to other types of internet connections like fiber optics or DSL. Coaxial cable internet speeds are typically slower compared to the fiber optic connections. While advantages in technology have increased cable internet speeds over the years, they still generally lag behind fiber optic speeds, especially in upload speeds. This can be a drawback for users who require faster upload speeds for activities like video conferencing, uploading large files, or online gaming. Coaxial cable internet often relies on shared infrastructure, meaning that the bandwidth is shared among multiple users in the same neighborhood or network node. During peak usage hours, When many users are online simultaneously, network congestion can occur, resulting in slow speeds and reduced performance for individual users. This shared bandwidth can lead to inconsistent speeds and performance fluctuations, particularly in densely populated areas. Coaxial cables are susceptible to signal interferences from various sources, including electromagnetic interference, radio frequency interference, and electrical noise. Factors such as nearby power lines, electronic devices, and environmental conditions can degrade the quality of the signal transmitted over the coaxial cable, leading to slow speeds, dropped connections, or service interruptions. Coaxial cable internet services can be prone to outages and service interruptions caused by factors such as severe weather, equipment failures, or maintenance issues. While cable internet providers strive to maintain reliable service, occasional downtimes may occur, impacting users' ability to access the internet and perform online activities. Overall, while coaxial cable offers high-speed connectivity and widespread availability in many areas, it does have some drawbacks in terms of speed limitations, shared bandwidth, signal interference, and reliability issues. Depending on individual needs and preferences, users may opt for alternative internet options such as fiber, optics, or DSL where available to mitigate these disadvantages. Both AT&T and Xfinity are currently expanding their networks in the United States. Availability can vary significantly depending on where you live, so it's essential to check the coverage map online of your provider directly. So now the question is, which service is right for you? Well, it ultimately depends on your priorities and what's available in your area. Both AT&T Fiber and Xfinity offers excellent high-speed internet services, but they have their differences in terms of speed, reliability, pricing, and availability. Internet fiber service is more reliable than coaxial cable. Fiber services provides faster upload speeds than coaxial services. Fiber service does not slow down like coaxial cable internet during peak hours. The slight highest cost of fiber service is offset by the savings of the equipment lease charged by the coaxial cable companies. At the time that this video was being recorded, AT&T was not charging for lease of equipment and typical installation. Hey, why not have the best of both worlds? Some areas allow you to have both services, giving you redundancy in options. Some users can lose thousands of dollars with internet service disruptions. And there you have it, folks. AT&T Fiber versus Xfinity Cable Internet Services. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay connected and keep surfing the web as fast as possible. Thanks for watching.